I don't like this guy. Shit.
Fucking bimbo guy.
Fuck, I did the wide turn. Another raid's gonna shoot my asshole. No, it's over, Dylan. It's over. Just like... It's just like Tarkov.
What?
The minute I die, you fall. Oh my god.
Oh no! Caillou! You killed me!
Bitch, I killed myself. My blood is stained on the sand.